Hi everyone, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. My name is Andre. I'm a massage and yoga therapist from Edinburgh. A lot of you will know me because a lot of you will be my clients, but if you don't, that's part of who I am. I'm also an Ayurvedic practitioner in studying. And yeah, so today I thought I would talk about Shavasana posture or corpse pose. And I thought I would do that because both in massage and in yoga classes, I noticed that when it comes to an end, people are often very quick to just get up and go about their business. So, and that's okay. But sometimes perhaps we don't benefit from the massage or the yoga class as much as we could do. So that's what Shavasana um, is about, really, or how where it could help you. And I think it could help you in at the end of a massage as well. So Shavasana posture, I'll show you in a little bit how to do it. But you lie on your back with with your palms facing up, and your legs are slightly apart. And you could have a soft gaze, or you could have your eyes closed. It's really up to you. And it's a fully conscious present posture where you are checking in with your body and really noticing how you feel, really going inwards. So it's not really a posture for sleeping, although if you sleep, that's perfectly fine, it's allowed. Um, but it's not really what it's meant to do. So, one way of you doing Shavasana posture is just by noticing different parts of the body. So you could start from your toes and working your way all the way up to the scalp and just, yeah, seeing how it feels. So you could do that by focusing, um, seeing if you have any tension or if you have any tightness or tingling sensation, anything like that. And then if you notice any sensations, you could just ask the body or ask that body part to just release it, and you could just consciously do it. If you notice tension, just consciously relax that muscle. And you can work your way up the body. And equally, you could also just notice what kind of thoughts are you having? Are you having a lot of thoughts? Not a lot of thoughts? Are you having thoughts about worries or thoughts about something that's going to happen later on? But it's not really at the time to engage with those thoughts. So you could just label them. You could just go, okay, I'm having worrying thoughts, or okay, I'm having a thought about this or that, and just let it go. This is not really a meditation. Often you could use Shavasana to prepare for meditation, but it's not strictly as such. So yeah, so this is how you could do it. You're breathing. You could breathe it. You breathe in through your nose and exhale through your mouth as a cleansing breath. Um, just do what feels natural to you. But it's about allowing the body to register what just happened for the past 30, 60, 90 minutes, whatever it was, both in yoga and in massage. And then you can, start slowly awakening the body and just come back to life. So it's just a little tip, if next time you come for a massage, maybe have it a go. If you want a little bit longer than 5 minutes, if you want 10 minutes, just let me know ahead of your appointment and I'll make sure I'll work that in. Also, in the context of yoga therapy, you could just do a Shavasana during the day. You just lie on the floor if you're having things like high blood pressure, if you're having anxiety. You could just practice this on a daily basis, a few times a day. If you have like high blood pressure, you could do it two, 3, 4, 5 times a day, every couple of hours. It's a very effective way of managing high blood pressure. And it doesn't really have any contraindications. So yeah, give this a try and just see how you get on. I'll show you now how to do Shavasana. So you can pop your feet to one side to help you get to sit on your bum. So for the whole of the Shavasana pose, if you have lower back pain, any discomfort in the back, you can actually keep your legs in this position with your knees raised. It's also helpful to get into the pose. So you get into the pose by leaning on your elbows and using the elbows to help you come down. And as I said, you can keep the knees up, or you can slowly extend each leg and allow your feet and your ankles to just relax to the sides. Your arms are alongside the body, with the palms facing up. Your head is straight, and your eyes may be gently closed with a soft gaze, or open with a soft gaze, or closed, whatever's comfortable for you. And this is the point at which you can do a scan through the body, starting from your feet or the top of your head, whatever works for you. And slowly, slowly asking each part of the body to surrender to relaxation, give up that tension. It's quite amazingly surprising how many areas of the body is still tensed or have since tensed up. So you'll discover a lot of little pockets of tension that you can let go of and burst. Really important to not just force yourself into relaxation, though. Anything that's forceful never really ends well. So it could be that you just discover that you're very tense, or that you have lots of busy thoughts going around. That's all fine. The point is not to get rid of anything. It's just to be present as you can be, as consciously aware as you can be. Don't forget to also notice what your jaw and your tongue is doing. Make sure that they are also relaxed. And you could do quite a few deep breaths, inhaling through the nose and doing an audible exhale through the mouth. And then you just stay here for 5-10 minutes. And it's perfectly fine if you have thoughts like, this is taking too long, I just want to go. Just try to watch those thoughts pass by. So just let them be, but it's normal to have them. And at the end of that time, to get out of the posture, you can bring your knees back up so it's easier for you to get up. You can roll to one side and then just use your hands and your elbow to prop you back up and come into a sitting position. Okay, so this is Shavasana posture. Thank you.